Here I have REALME C25Y, and today I'm going to show you how to enable camera timer on this device. So firstly, you have to open your camera, and here in the camera you have to tap on the gear icon to access its settings, and here you have countdown duration. This is basically just a camera timer. You can set it on 3 or on 10 seconds. Let's set it on 3 and try to make a photo, and as you can see, timer works perfectly. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.